Hello. Hi everyone. Musa. Hello. We're outside to play in snow today. Mikhail doesn't have a snowsuit. I didn't buy it for him this year. I'll buy it next year. It's already March, so next year. Look at this. Cool. You guys can play with snow because you guys are wearing snow gloves. Yay! This is our swing. Look at the swing. Mikhail, what are you doing, baby? Oh, we forgot the lights there, Aslan. We forgot the lights there. Mikhail, are you going to the swings? Huh? It's not gonna work in snow. It's so cold. Come on out. Come on. B. What is B? That's snow. Not B. Look at him. This is our backyard covered in snow. Oh my god, that's a big one. Oh! Yay! You missed it? Mikhail! Oh no, you missed it. Musa, are you having fun? Yes? Nice. Yay! Papa is attacking you. Oh, you need my help? Let me make you a snowball. Mikhail is still stuck there. I think he's cold. Right, Aslan? No? He's just having fun. Musa, attack Mikhail. Attack Mikhail. No! Not me! Not me! No! Oh my god, I told you guys. He's asking for swings, right? He's like, ee. No. Mikhail! The slide is covered in snow, baby. Look, he's trying to go up the slide. Musa, I got snow in my sweater. Whoa! Mickey, move! Mickey, move! He's not gonna move like that. Mikhail, come here. Come here. Musa, go. Oh! That's your sledding right there. Oh my gosh, now he wants to do it too. He's not wearing a snowsuit. He's not wearing a snowsuit. Come on, I'll try to catch him. He's wearing two pants here. Mikhail, look at him. Oh no! Ah! Look at him. He's so happy. Look at him. Papa went to get sled. We're gonna go do sledding! Yay! Come on, you can do it. Come on. Woo! Was it fun? Musa, you had fun? Nice. Mikhail, look at him, seriously. I'm sad now that he doesn't have a snowsuit. Look at him. Something in your mouth? Wait. Let me show you guys my whole backyard. Look at that. Look. It's fully covered. That's deck. That's fully covered with snow. It's like kind of warm today. That's why it's melting. The snow is melting. But we still have a lot of snow. Yay! The sled is here! Let's do some sledding, guys.
I got big tree.
What's his reaction, Islam? Is he happy? Musa got a tree. Woo! He fell down. It's Musa's turn now. It's not gonna be good. Trust me. Look at him. You're gonna drop him. You're gonna drop him. Okay. Whoa! Look at Musa. He's expert. Woo! That's cool. Mikhail, are you waiting for your turn? Look at him. He can barely walk in snow. No! Whoa! That's so much fun. I want to do it too. It's Mickey's turn. It's your turn. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Look at him. Okay. Mikhail. Come on. Yay! Look at Musa is trying to block them. Oh, he fell down! Oh no! Oh, so sad. Musa, are you waiting for your turn? Musa! Look at that, guys. Musa is holding Mikhail. That's so cute. Musa! Musa! Hello, guys! So cute. Here they come again. Hello! What's up? Look at Mikhail. He's chilling. Mikhail! We're gonna go inside now. The fun is over. It's about to rain. I mean, it's already raining. Oh, so sad. The kids are really sad. They were having so much fun. That was our fun for today, guys. See you guys later. Bye.